Okay, so let's start by skimming and scanning this question. And I can see that it is about a guy called David, and probably this is what the passage is about. So let's continue reading this. It says David Lynch is a professor and head of education at Charles Darwin University. Okay, dash to this. He was a sub-dean at the Faculty of Education and Creative Arts at Central Queensland University and the head of the university's 𝗚cy dash. So let's just go with this. Okay, let's say before this. We cannot say before to this. That doesn't make sense. We cannot say linking as well. I'll go with prior. Prior to this, he was a sub-dean in the Faculty of Education and Creative Arts at Central Queensland University and Foundation, head of the university's 𝗚cy dash. University's 𝗚cy, I'll go with campus. David's career in education began as a primary school teacher in Queensland in early 1980s and dashed to 4 principal positions. That means he moved on to 4 principal positions, right? No, I won't go with impressed. It relates to, makes sense, but it doesn't. I cannot say subject, so I'll say progressed because you climbed those 4 steps, right? David's research dash predominate in teacher education and with a particular interest in building teacher capability to meet a changing world. Okay, David's research, I think it would go with this. His research interests, not duties. So let's confirm this and let's have a look. What would be the ideal answer? As you can see, all of it is right, and that should be the right way to do it. So good luck. Make sure you skim and scan the questions very carefully.